Hi, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Opoku Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to save a document in PDF format.
Alright, so now let's see how best we can save a document in PDF format. So I want to save this particular document in PDF format. So what I'll do is open the document. Now come to where we have the tabs, the insert, design, mailings and the rest. Now click on file. Now go through the options we have here and then click on save as. After that, now click on browse. So you click on browse in order to locate where you want to save the particular file. So after that, now come to where we have the save as type. So right after that, you will see a particular rectangular box where we have the Word document. So click on the small arrow there and then select the option PDF. Now after that, click on save. So now after clicking on save, by default the particular file will open in a PDF format. And then when you go back to where you have the file, you will see the PDF file there too.
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for any updates. Bye.